Whoa. Okay. So there you go, guys. Hey there, guys. Abners Reviews here. Back with another unboxing. And today we are presenting to you the Intex 24-inch Glossy panel ball. Okay, so as you can see, it's pretty straightforward. Intex branding right there. And then I guess this is how the product looks right here. And we have the measurements right at the bottom. So that's 61 centimeters or 24 inches in diameter. Okay, so let's open this up. It's really a colorful one. It's bigger than I hope it would be. Wow. So there are lots of colors: pink, a pink panel, blue, white, yellow, and yeah, that's it. So if you expand it like so, you see how big it is, and on top of it is where we inflate the ball. So let us inflate the ball.
Wow!
So that is our Intex 24-inch glossy panel ball. I'm sure your kids will have lots of fun with it.
Wow!
Of course, this would be best suited if they are using this on the pool. But I guess they can also use it when they're doing their bath time, right? So there you go, guys, with our Intex 24-inch glossy panel ball. So you can see it's very colorful, and I'm sure your kids will love it. By the way, if you have a pump, use it. I used my own body's air to inflate this one, and it was not pleasant. So if you have a pump, use it, okay? This is a big ball, and it takes a lot of air to inflate it. So there you go, guys. Do not forget to like and comment on our video. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe to Abner's Reviews. Do not forget to click the notification bell so you'll get notified when we upload the next video. Please follow us on our social media links right here. And that's been it. This is Abner's Reviews, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.